Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Tucson door handle. First, gather your tools like screwdrivers, a socket set, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement handle for your specific Tucson model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer. This guide will walk you through each step clearly, helping you get the job done right. Now, let's get started on removing the old handle. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry it off, avoiding damage. Disconnect any electrical connectors for power windows or locks before fully detaching the panel. Next, locate and unscrew the bolts holding the old door handle in place. Some models may have an access hole for tricky bolts. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new door handle and secure it by tightening the mounting bolts. Reconnect any control rods and electrical components to the handle and door panel. Finally, reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Take your time to align everything properly for a snug fit. Once the new handle is installed, test it several times to ensure it opens and closes smoothly from both the inside and outside. Also, confirm that all windows and locks function correctly after reassembly. Double-check that the door panel is securely fastened. For more helpful tips and product recommendations, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below for links and other great deals. Your new door handle should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.